Rose Story. Introduction to the rose flower. Easy explanation. What is a rose? A rose is a beautiful and popular flower that comes in many colors, like red, pink, white, and yellow. It has soft petals and a sweet fragrance. Roses grow on bushes and have small thorns on their stems. Where do roses grow? Roses grow in gardens, parks, and even in the wild. They need sunlight, water, and care to bloom properly. Some roses grow in warm places, while others can survive in cold weather. Why are roses special? Roses are often called the queen of flowers because of their beauty. They are used in weddings, gifts, and decorations. Rose petals are also used to make perfume, oils, and even tea. Conclusion roses are one of the most loved flowers in the world. They are not just beautiful, but also useful in many ways. Whether in a garden, a bouquet, or a bottle of perfume, roses make everything more special.